Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my anti-aging skincare routine for my sensitive skin type. So after I've washed and dried my face, I'm going to start with the Cooling Recovery Sheet Mask. This is really good because it's got 5 different types of peptides for like cell growth, cell regeneration, anti-aging, so it's really good, but it's also hydrating as well with hyaluronic acid. The Cooling Recovery Mask has a peppermint flavour to it, so when you put it on you will feel that nice cooling sensation from the peppermint as you're applying it. So just sort of put it on your face and then just contour it around. Try and keep it out of the eye because obviously with it being peppermint you don't want to get it inside your eye. So I just like to tuck it in under my chin. Got quite a small face, so it does take a while for me to usually contour the sheet mask, but once you've done it, it will be really easy for you to then do the remaining of your anti-aging routine. The other great thing about the Cooling Recovery Mask is that the ingredients are quite suitable for sensitive skin type. So it hasn't got like perfumes or any sort of harsh ingredients in there which are going to make your skin sensitive or break out or anything like that, which is why I really like this sheet mask. It is really suitable for sensitive skin type, but it's got all those ingredients that you need and are important in an anti-aging routine. So I'm going to start my anti-aging facial with the eye area. I'm going to use the LumiEyes, which is a radio frequency based device. The device basically uses radio frequency waves to tighten and tone the area of skin, especially around your eyes, but you can also use it on areas where you have more fine lines and wrinkles as well. For example, on your upper lip or around the mouth lines as well. So it's a really nice tool, it's really easy to use. The reason why I use it with the sheet mask is because it hydrates it at the same time. Now I'm going to move on to the next part of my facial using the Facelift Pro. So this nifty gadget has 3 different types of LED light, and it also has muscle stimulation technology. So basically what that does is it gives my muscles on my face a workout, like by twitching them, and in doing so what it does is it tones the muscle, and the muscle is attached to skin, so as the muscle is toned it pulls the skin in response, so it gives you a bit more of a tighter, more toned appearance on your face. The other amazing feature of this Facelift Pro is the LED light therapy. So obviously because I'm doing an anti-aging facial, I'm using the red light therapy. So this works to boost my collagen, it works to improve my elastin, giving me firmer, tighter skin as well in the long run. I also feel that it gives me more clearer skin as well, so it just improves any textural issues that I'm having, because although I have sensitive skin, I also have like oiliness as well, especially on my head and nose, so it really helps to regulate that so I'm not as oily during the day. Now I'm using the green LED light therapy, so this will help to calm any redness on my skin which I can get from my sensitivity, especially on my under eye area, like cheekbone area. I just get like redness under there, so it really helps to calm that down, but it also helps to even out my skin tone as well. So now that I've finished the toning part of my anti-aging facial, I'm going to move on to the last step of my facial, which is intense hydration. So this is one of the reasons why I use this sheet mask, is because it really helps to hydrate my skin insanely. So obviously I've used the sheet mask while I've been doing the eye toning with the radio frequency device and the skin toning with the Facelift Pro. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the serum that's left in the sheet mask packet. I'm going to push it in with the Facelift Pro to help the ingredients and serum sort of penetrate deeper and sort of work from the inside out. So I'm just going to take off my mask. As you can see, like, it's really dry, like there's nothing coming out of that sheet mask, because the device has really pushed in all the serums. So now I'm just going to pull out the serum from the packet. There's quite a lot left in there. I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to put that onto my skin again, and I'm going to use the toning device to push it into my skin further. And what this part of my routine does is it gives me really nice, hydrated, glowing skin for about a week or 2 weeks. And it really helps because I don't have to rely a lot on my daily serums or moisturisers or anything like that. So I really love this part of my step, and I try and do it on a weekly basis. So I'm just going to grab my Facelift Pro again, the one that I was just using with the sheet mask, and I'm just going to use it in a stop-start motion to push the serums in. And you'll just feel like a little bit of, I don't know how to describe it, but just like a little bit of a pulse on your face, and then you just move on onto the next area. And what that will do, which I'll show you at the end of the video, is all that serum, rather than being sat on the face and then just evaporating, it's all being pushed into the skin so it can work to hydrate your skin for longer. So skincare that you put on your face topically usually is only absorbed like a certain small percentage, like 8 to 10%. When using it with the facial toning Facelift Pro, it pushes the absorption rate to about 60%. So you know that your serums are working for you. And I'd also advise, if using this device, you have to use good quality ingredients. You don't want anything cheap or anything with harsh chemicals, especially if you've got sensitive skin. So as you can see here, the skin is completely dry. There's no residual skincare left on my skin as it's all been absorbed.